Hello guys, my name is Akhil M and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is kind of my first video into this YouTube channel, and in this YouTube channel I'm gonna give my more focus towards the programming, and also I'll be covering some other stuffs also on later on this YouTube channel. So guys, if you really like my video, please consider subscribing towards this channel because it really helps me to bring more content towards you. Um and also please leave a like below, and if possible share it towards your friends so that I can grow more. And let us get started with the video first. So today we are going to attempt a simple login UI on the Flutter application. This is going to be pretty simple. I'm going to use just a couple of widgets to get started with this video. The first thing that I would do the first things that I have been already done is that I have made a page known as login to dot, and I have already declared an stateful widget and called it as a login to dot. So these all things depends upon you, and I have made it to return a scaffold. And now let us start with the body of the scaffold. I won't really be using any kind of app bars or so on this video. I would like the body to be an container. Let us start with those. And also I would like to give a background color to this scaffold, so colors dot blue gray 900. Let us, yeah, that looks great. The container, inside the container child will be in column. Let us start with the column and the child of the column. So the first thing that I would like it to return is a text which just says login. Let us try syncing those. A small login has been appeared out there. You can't really see that at the moment. Let us do some more things towards this. Let us call the style parameter inside this and the text style function. Sorry. And I have a custom font, so if you don't know how to install a custom font into your application, leave a comment below. I will try to make a video on those also. So the font family, my custom font is Pacifico, and the font size I will leave it as a 50, I think. So yeah, a small login has been appeared out there. Let us again continue with the video. Maybe the font, sorry, not the font. Let us change the color of the uh, color colors dot blue gray. I will go with the 300 of the blue gray. Okay, that looks great. I will okay, let it be the next thing that I would like it to do is to return an circular avatar where I can show a little image. So let us create a circle avatar. So the circle avatar has a background color. No, I don't really require a background color. I need a background image, which is asset image. I have already pasted that inside my assets folder, so I'm just gonna leave those here. Yeah, a small one has been appeared. Let us change the radius of the circle over the radius into maybe a 40. Still not enough for me. Maybe a 70. Let us go with 100. I think it will look great. Yeah, and as you can see, there is no spacing between the login and the circle avatar. So to put space, I'm gonna just use a sized box between those and just set its height as 30, so that it will leave a small space between those two. So yeah, a small space has been appeared between those two. uh, okay, so we have a something which says login, and we have a circle avatar. And let us still continue. I would like to have next two buttons which says sign in and sign up. I'm not going to use buttons for these purposes. I'm going to use a card, and I'm going to make it a clickable card using the inkwell. So the ink well function allows us to make something and clickable. So the child of the inkwell will be the card which I would like to show them. Let us try syncing that. Okay. The child of the card could be an list tile. Yeah, I'm gonna use a list tile. So list tile is a function which takes three parameters. It takes leading and the title and also the trailing. So let us give the leading an icon. Icon icon start like a person. Okay. Mm-hmm. And let us give the title as text sign. Yeah, again let us go with the styling so that I can give it a custom colors and all. I'm just gonna say increase the font size, not font size, I will font family. Okay, maybe font size right now. Okay. I'm increasing the icon size also, sorry. Okay, and if you look at here, again there is no space, much amount of space in between the icon and my title. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna wrap this text widget with an align, so that I can align this properly. And alignment one, I don't really know the values, so let us start with those. uh, Not 1, I think 0.5 might be enough, I think. Maybe it's okay. I'm happy with those. Let us change the color of the card. So colors dot blue. We'll go with blue accent itself. Okay. Again, there is no spacing between these two guys, so let us go ahead and change those. Let us insert a sized box of height 30 between those. Yeah. Okay. What I'm gonna do next is that I'm gonna copy the whole inkwell from here, because I do really require another one also. So I need to make another one for the what am I doing? I need to make another one for the what to say, sign up. So we'll change this to sign up. Let's try syncing it towards the application. Okay. The icon could be person add. Okay. And the last thing that I would really like to do is that I'm gonna leave this at the center of my body. So let us follow the function main. Sorry, not the margin. Oh, I'm doing it at the wrong place. come inside the column, and I'm gonna change the main axis element, dot center, and maybe increase the font size to something like a 70ish. And that's it, guys. That was a pretty simple login UI using the Flutter. I used just a couple of widgets to get a beautiful login screen like this. You can actually install some margins if you really require, or padding, anything that you really require. I don't think that, yeah, the card actually takes margin, so let us install those, maybe a 10 from every side. Maybe let us go a bit more, like a 30. Yeah, let us give this to the towards the another card also. So Control C and Control V, and lower the height between these two guys. 20, maybe 10. And that's it, guys. That is a pretty simple login screen using the Flutter. So this is my first video towards the YouTube channel. If you really liked it, please consider subscribing, and also leave a like button. If you have any doubts, leave a comment down below. I'm happy to help you always. That's it. Thank you for watching.